Have you ever been part of a project that felt spinning out of control? Deadlines were slipping, costs were rising, and the scope just kept growing. It's a familiar story for many organizations. A project starts with high hopes, clear goals, and excitement. But before you know it, things spiral into chaos. How does this happen? It usually results from poor planning, bad resource management, or a breakdown in communication. But here's the good news: there's a solution. The key to overcoming these challenges is using solid project management practices. By applying proven methodologies and the right tools, project managers can take back control, align team efforts, and deliver projects on time and within budget. In this video, we're diving deep into the core concepts of project management. We'll explore how you can avoid the pitfalls that derail so many projects and steer your team towards success. What is project management? Project management is the process of planning, organizing, and managing resources to achieve specific goals within a defined time frame. It involves coordinating people, processes, and tools to ensure a project is completed successfully and meets its objectives while staying within scope, budget, and schedule constraints. Now, let us switch to the key concepts of project management. Let's start with the project life cycle, the roadmap every project follows. From initiation to planning, execution, monitoring, and closure, this structure ensures a clear path from start to finish. Next up is scope management. Defining what's included and, just as importantly, what's not is key to staying on track. This prevents scope creep and keeps your project focused on its goals. Of course, time is of the essence. Time management helps you define tasks, sequence them, and track progress to ensure everything is completed on time. Regarding limits, cost management is all about budgeting and controlling project costs. It ensures you don't overspend and stay within your financial boundaries. Now, let's talk about quality. Quality management ensures that your project meets the set standards and delivers results that satisfy your stakeholders. Then, there's risk management, because no project is without challenges. Identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks is vital to avoiding surprises along the way. Now, onto resource management. This involves efficiently acquiring and managing your team, materials, and equipment so the right resources are available when needed. Remember the people involved. Stakeholder management ensures you're actively engaging with anyone affected by your project and managing their expectations. Speaking of engagement, communication management keeps everyone informed. Effective communication is key to project success, ensuring that stakeholders are updated and engaged. All these aspects are tied together through integration management, the glue that holds your project together, ensuring everything works in harmony. Then there's the project plan, a comprehensive guide that details how you'll execute, monitor, and control the project, covering everything from scope to cost. Change is inevitable. That's where change management comes in. This ensures that changes to scope, schedule, or resources are managed carefully to minimize disruptions. Finally, there is the last step: project closure. This is when you formally complete the project, get approvals, and document everything for future reference. So, there you have it, the key concepts of project management. Master these, and you'll be well on your way to delivering successful projects on time, within budget, and to the highest standards. Thanks for watching.